Today we will be looking at how to use metallic tattoo paper. The paper comes in two colors, gold and silver. And all you need is a laser printer and a laminator at home. First, print in black and white on the glossy side of the paper. Place the metallic film on top of the printout with the grey side of the film facing down. Glue the top of the edge of the film so that the film doesn't move inside the machine. Feed the overlapping papers through the preheated laminating machine. The laminating temperature should be set at 85 to 120 degrees. The speed should be at the lowest possible. Carefully separate the film from the decal. Place the blue paper on top of the glossy side of the white coating paper with metallic side of blue paper facing down. Feed the papers through the preheated laminating machine in the same fashion. Dab the blue decal with water and wait for 20 to 30 seconds to remove. Proceed to the next step only when the white decal is completely dry. You're going to attach the backing sheet to the printed sheet. Peel back a small corner of the adhesive sheet. Slowly take off the backing sheet and place the adhesive sheet on top until both sheets overlap. Remove any remaining air pockets with a ruler. Cut around the edges of the image and trim. Peel off the adhesive sheet from the image. Place the tattoo onto your skin and rub well. Use wet tissues or cotton to dab on the tattoo. Dab well again for about 10 seconds. Once the backing starts to loosen, remove. Your beautiful tattoo is ready to go. If you want more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.co.kr. You can also email us if you have any questions. I've put the email address down below.